Tough questions for state leaders today about children in Kentucky's care. Bodie Brooks has more from today's hearing, where lawmakers were not very satisfied with the answers they heard.
What's not getting through that needs to get through? What's getting lost? Because we have a dead 7-year-old. We have a sexually assaulted juvenile young woman.
Two incidents turned into a tipping point for the legislature to start asking tougher questions about how Kentucky is treating kids in state care. Jason Terry died in Jefferson County in July, the coroner saying his death was a homicide.
Can you respond to the allegations that are in this news story about this child who was put in a chokehold of some kind, died of positional asphyxia, said the news story, vomited during the encounter? What level of investigation was done here? Because according to the news stories that we've seen, this is not an isolated case.
The Judiciary Committee grilling Health and Family Services Secretary Eric Friedlander about points of failure in training and staffing, if there were ever prior complaints about force.
You look for patterns, and you look
Was there a pattern at that facility?
Having seen the investigations, and I do have to wait for them to be complete, I would say that would not be an unfounded fear.
Can I say that's a yes?
We have an ongoing investigation.
And that investigation complicating the answers lawmakers want. But Justice and Public Safety Secretary Kerry Harvey also faced hard questions following a riot and sexual assault at an Adair County Juvenile Justice Center. That prompted Governor Andy Beshear to begin separating females and housing juvenile detainees based on the severity of their crime.
I'm glad the governor is now on the right page to do this. The catalyst to the governor's actions were this gang rape.
GOP lawmakers arguing the actions come too late, as both cabinets also face serious staffing challenges without an easy solution.
I didn't really get a lot of responses on what's happening next. I see that there's a lot of investigation, a lot of scrutiny, and I'm glad to hear that.